Ayan, good morning everyone! Magandang umaga po. Welcome to the Daily Grind. Hopefully you had a very beautiful weekend. Maulan na umaga dito sa amin ngayon, but it's okay. Today's topic, BTC broke 10K. And what's up with that? We're gonna be talking about that today. Also, we are gonna be talking about PSEi, nag 7,500, nag-maintain sa 7.5 si PSEi. Still below moving average 20. So, PSEi is still on a downtrend. Bakit umakyat si Bitcoin and bakit umakyat si gold? We're gonna be talking about that today. What are the factors causing it? International market, medyo nakakaba international market because of the NCOV. So, ayun, not sure what's gonna happen. We talked about gold last week, di ba? And I told you, pwede na i-sideways trend yon. And there it is. If you can see, we already saw this support kay gold last week and it's doing well from the support tools. Let me just go to tools. Nope, not tools. Yeah, tools, no. Right. Kailang ha, nawala. Dapat meron akong ano dito eh. Ayan, line. So this was the support of gold last week that we talked about. And we already saw the bounce right here. So, ayan, we told you maganda na i-day trade ito for the long position, and there it is. Umaakyat na si gold since then. So that's a very good position for gold for you guys. Congratulations sa mga pumasok kay gold last week. We talked about this. More about gold. We are gonna be talking more about gold in our webinar. Ayan, pasensya na. I'll just stop the music. Right? Andyan po sa video description. If you just watched, andyan po sa Facebook also. Ipopost ko rin po mamaya. But at the video description, andyan po ang webinar na registration link. We are gonna be trading this with Arfi Gabillanes. Arfi created a position kay gold nung nag-support siya, and we are gaining big already because of this. And he is gaining big because he's trading this. But then again, yes, ayan mo po, webinar is gonna be this March 7. Andyan po sa video description yung link for registration. Libre lang po yan. All you need to do is create an account using my link and register on that link. Ayan ha. So, right, again, create an account using my link para po maka-join kayo sa webinar. It's for free for you guys. Libre lang po yan. Yan, diba? Huwag niyo po kakalimutan. Unlimited naman po siya. Even those who already created an account under my link before, you don't need to register again. You don't need to register another account, pero kailangan nyo po mag-register sa webinar so that we can email you the instructions on how to join the webinar. So, and hopefully, magustuhan nyo po ang webinar. We are gonna be lining up very good information for you guys. So, congratulations sa mga nagte-trade kay gold. And ang ganda ng trade ng gold this week, and Bitcoin also. Right, magkasama yan sila, diba? Good morning, Mel Milare from Canada. Uy, gabi sa inyo dyan. Good evening sa inyo dyan. Jetty, hello po. Good morning po. Good morning din. Nestor Aquino, good morning. And, let me see. Wala pa yung audience natin, 43. If you have any, tomorrow our topic is gonna be about spotting trends and reversals sa mga newbies. So, abangan nyo po yan. Hindi natin yan pag-usapan last Friday. I had a very important errand, so hindi ako nakapag daily grind last Friday. Sino dito ang nagte-trade na kay gold? Hopefully, can you share to us your earnings after this support trade right here? Wait. Okay, so anyways, BTC. Start with the topic. BTC. Yan po si BTC. Sorry. Alright, BTC did a breakout from 10K. It's now at 10,300 right here. Umabot siya na, it's closed right now is 10,145 after the breakout at 10K. This is already creating an uptrend right here, and the pullbacks to MA20s. So if you were position trading it, this is how MA20 works right here. It creates a zero support. That is where you try to position if ever gusto nyo po i-position trade ang isang asset. So MA20s are the best entries right now. Bitcoin, though nag-breakout siya, I do not recommend getting in right now. Wait for another pullback at the very least and then start buying there. Buy some, and then if the trend continues, then you buy more, and then where you buy more will be your new support. So ganito po mangyayari niyan. For those who want to join Bitcoin investing, so best entry points, best entry points ito. Use this MA20 as your supports. Pullbacks to MA20, andyan po nag-bounce, and then pull back and bounce, and pull back. And we're gonna wait for a bounce again here for your next entry. So what you usually do is, you buy some here, right? You buy, this is your first buy, and then on the next pullback, you buy some here also. You can, you buy some here also. So, ito yung support nyo. If ever this support collapses, you cut your losses. Mag-cut na kayo dyan. So, meaning, yung first buy nyo nag-gain, yung second buy natin, hindi kasi nag-materialize, hindi nag-continue ng trend. So, you cut there. So, overall, your trade is still a gain. Kahit na konti lang, okay lang. Basta as long as we gain money. Yan yung purpose natin in trading. We don't really have goals na how much talaga. Kung magtuloy-tuloy yung trend, then swerte ng mga positions natin. But basically, that's what you do. So, if ever tama yung second entry natin dito, it creates another trend. This is our third buy, and now this is our support, and this is our cut loss right here. So, we cut here. So, basically, yung third entry natin, malulugi, but our second entry and first entry, we're gaining already from here to here. That is how you trade, basically. Alright? This is what we do in gold, especially in day trading gold. I will be sharing so much more information about that in our webinar. Right? This is what you call trailing stop loss. Right? More info about this strategy in the webinar. But then again, this is what you do in BTC. If you want to join it, you just wait for the pullback and then bounce before you want to get in. Right? So, Bitcoin was forming already a bullish position before. We knew it was gonna do a breakout. Nonetheless, especially with the NCOV, right? Umaangat si NCOV, umaangat si gold, umaangat si BTC because of the NCOV scare, right? These are the safe haven assets right now. If ever magkakagulo sa mundo, these are the assets that you want to look at and transfer your money here. The good thing about eToro is you can go to stocks and then you can go to gold or oil or Bitcoin anytime, right? So that's possible. Good morning, sir. Paano po ba na-create ang Bitcoin? It's a program. It's an algorithm. Ang nangyari po is it's a mathematical equation na siya lang po ang pwedeng si Bitcoin what do you call this? Bitcoin po ang nagagawa. It is said that it was created by ano nito? Anong tawag ba? Satoshi. Yan, Mr. Satoshi. Kaya po tawag sa isang Bitcoin na 0.00 something is called Satoshi, right? It was said to be created by Satoshi. The thought about Bitcoin is it's a mathematical equation that creates only one result and hindi na po siya maduduplicate. So, it's a very big equation. At palaki ang equation na yan. And then, may limitation lang siya. So, limited lang po ang Bitcoin na nakagawa. It cannot be duplicated. Kaya po, it's good for, it can be used as a currency. Para pong pera natin, hindi po basta-basta ma-duplicate yan. Kaya yun po yung purpose niyan. Gold cannot be duplicated. Kaya po maganda pang trade siya. So Bitcoin cannot be duplicated, but it's in a digital form. So it can be used as a currency. Okay? Hindi lang currency ang gamit ni Bitcoin ngayon. Dami pang gamit ni Bitcoin. It can be used to represent stocks sa company ninyo. Pwede pong gawin yan. So if there are companies right now that are selling their own cryptocurrency, hindi po Bitcoin. Cryptocurrency po ang tawag dyan overall. It's the similar system with Bitcoin, right? So may mga company right now na yung instead na stocks ang benta nila, kasi pag stocks kasi ang dami mo pang kailangan i-process with SEC para makabenta ka ng stocks. Right? Sa Bitcoin, it's a loophole. Wala pang ano dyan, wala pang gaanong law tayo dyan. So there are companies that are selling Bitcoins that represent stocks of their companies instead. Pwede pong ganun. Okay? So, that's the beauty about cryptocurrency because you cannot duplicate it. Marims, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Good morning then. Amil, Angelo, good morning, Amil. Right. Good morning, everyone. So that's with BTC. If you wanna get in BTC, I would recommend wait lang tayo for a pullback, and then on the next bounce na po tayo pumasok. Problem with Bitcoin right now, what I'm seeing on the chart, kaya ayokong maghabol kayo. Let me just erase everything kasi ang gulo na. Problem with Bitcoin right now is it's playing along inside na sa Bollinger Band. So, meaning mas lesser na ang momentum niya ngayon. So, next try, wag nyo po habulin sa taas, right? There's no momentum in it anymore according to the charts. I could be wrong. Especially, sasabihin ko na mahihinaan na siya because NCOV is starting to stabilize, so meaning pawala na si NCOV. So most probably babalik na naman to normal ang mga stocks and the markets. So what you do is, in case we're wrong, it's still on an uptrend overall, you have to enter on a low risk position, which is right here on the pullback and bounce before you wanna enter. Okay, just in case na matapos na yung trend, you can cut your losses. Okay, so that's for Bitcoins in case na may gustong pumasok kay Bitcoin kasi hinahype na naman si Bitcoin eh. Okay, next is PSEi. PSEi is closing at 7,500, still the same. Ganun pa rin. Only 0.01% gain last Friday. So, it's not that much. Ang mga companies na umaangat are not really the blue chips. DD right now, we recommended DD dito sa on the pullback and bounce. Right? Actually, okay na yun sa DD eh. We just waited for a bounce for DD. And then there it is. It's already starting to go up. So, congratulations pumasok kay DD noon. Let me load my chart layout really quick. So PSEi, we're expecting for PSEi to still be slow, especially sa NCOV scares. People are turtling up, nagpa-panic buying pa nga yung mga tao, 'di ba? All attention are in their international market right now. If you want to look at the international market, all are green last Friday. So, karamihan is green last Friday. So, grabe pa rin ang aklat sa international market. So, karamihan ng pera ng mga tao andun pa rin sa international market. Okay? I think international market is gonna do a pullback anytime soon. Sobrang na kasi, especially yung mga retail companies like sila Nike, they're affected by the NCOV. Yung China kasi is a very big market for these companies. And then ngayon na yung mga Chinoy, yung mga Chino is staying at home, walang gumagastos, kaya it is hitting their sales. So bumabagsak po ang mga prices. So we're expecting for Nike, let's check out Nike. Yung mga ganito na mga companies, no, not bike. Nike. Yeah, so we're expecting for this to drop down, and there it is. Nagda-drop na nga pala si Nike. So, ganda na sana short nito. So, we're still expecting for this to go on a downtrend for the meantime for Nike. Okay? Sa Sir Lloyd, umangat na. We reviewed that last time, sir. Yung sa ko, na-cut loss ako eh. Right, so I'm just waiting. Pinakat loss lang ako before sa umakyat. That's trading for you. Yeah, umakyat na siya. That's very good. Let's just wait for another ang mura na sa OK ngayon. Let's just wait for another pullback and then bounce, and that's where I'm gonna be buying sa OK again. Right? So pero I still wanna see a reversal. Akala ko nag-reversal nito, ang ganda na ng support ni Saok kaso nga lang bumaba pa siya, so napakat loss ako. I'm gonna wait for another confirmation. No need to hurry about this company, hindi naman kailangan magmadali. Wait lang tayo ng confirmation before you wanna get in. Nestor Aquino, Baba will release reports on Wednesday, Thursday. Is it good to enter, Sir Lloyd? We don't have any earnings report yet. Pero I think it's gonna be very good as for Baba because meron silang, alam niyo yung ano, yung 11/11 na sale 2012. If you know, Amazon is very good. Amazon is did well in their sales. Ang ganda na earnings nila. Pero mas maganda, mas magaling sa sales si Baba. So I think Baba's sale is gonna be up also. So yeah, I think it's gonna be very good. Did you close your AMD short, Sir Lloyd? Yes, na short yung AMD ko. Biglang nag-rally pa rin ang market eh. Grabe international market. So na close yung ano ko, yung position ko. So what's in my position right now is Intuit and Lyft. So yan lang ang natira, right? Yung SAOC ko tsaka AMD ko na cut loss. Nestor, buhay pa ako doon sa SAOC, Sir Lloyd. Alright, that's good to know. Okay, basically that's the topic today. Ang gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo guys is that March 7, right? 8 o'clock, that's a Saturday. March 7, this date right here, 8 o'clock po yung webinar natin with Mr. Arfi Gavellano. If you don't know who Mr. Arfi is, right, so this is the trading competition result last 2019 December. Arfi placed first and his gain is 457% trading gold, and then ng January nag 290% siya, almost 300% for January. So yeah, he was able to earn his first million last January in trading gold, right? So he's gonna share yung capital niya was just 80,000 pesos, and then in just 2 months naging 1 million. So grabe, di ba? So he has his inputs, he will be sharing to you his inputs. He will be sharing to you his sources. So that's very important. Ano yung mga news na inaabangan, ano yung mga titingnan mo na mga news in trading gold. And then I'm gonna be sharing to you day trading strategies for gold also on this webinar. So it's gonna be with me and Mr. Arfi Gavellano. So please register. Andyan po sa video description yung link. Lagay ko na rin sa chat natin para ma-open nyo na. Right, let me just get the link really quick. Right, so registration is open already. Okay, so punta lang kayo sa registration na yan. Make sure you create an account using that link. Yung link ko po, yun lang po ang kabayaran yan. Basically, it's for free. So if you have an account in eToro using my link. Okay, Sir Lloyd, check yung 2019 results sa eToro, but wala si Arfi. Edgar Galang, yun yung problema eh, nag-uulit-ulit yung nag-uulit-ulit yung site nila eh, right? The site always moves, hindi naka-constant kasi namumove siya with the current results, meaning kasi this month hindi na si Arfi yung pinakamataas, so yung mga results sa previous months nag-uulit, right? So yeah, that's for Sunesh. Is it good to enter PSE stocks right now? It's hard to say because the PSE is bearish. So as much as possible, I don't want you to get into a bearish market. Simple as that. Even the biggest investors do not enter in a bearish market. So wag muna. Right? Just go cash right now. Let's see what will happen sa NCOV. Tignan natin kung maganda may takbo ng mga tirada ni President Duterte sa mga big companies and with their contracts na questionable. So those are the things that are causing the PSEi to drop. So we'll wait for these etong mga dilubyo na ito na mawala, and let's see if the market recovers after that. If the market recovers and starts a trend, then you enter. Ganun lang. Okay? Edgar Galang, Sir Lloyd, yan. Nabasa na natin yan. Sir Lloyd, from Marriage, AMD and Shock po, I don't like to trade AMD anymore kasi nasa taas na ito. It's already these companies are already showing weaknesses in their trends already. It broke MA20. Andyan po si AMD ngayon. It's hitting resistances, so it's really hard to say right now. We don't have any clear signals kay AMD. So I would say hindi po maganda, right? I-trade si AMD. Dapat ito yung short position eh. Pag nagpula ito, mas maganda i-short to, right? Dito kasi ako naka-short eh. Right? Umakyat pa siya on the pullback before giving us the main red, a lower high na mas clear dito. So dapat dito ko siya short. If I'm gonna see another red, I'm gonna consider shorting AMD again. This is for AMD, and then may request pa si Marims na Shaq, si Shake Shack. Shaq. Right, Shake Shack Incorporated. Ayun, uptrend na sa Shake Shack. Alright, kaka-breakout lang ng Shake Shack. Look at that MA20 bounces. Ganda po na MA20 bounces. I think we talked about this on the previous sa mga episodes about Shack. MA20 is the best entry. Congratulations kayo pumasok kay Shake Shack noon. I don't want to recommend it yet. Wait for the pullback again. Antayin natin ng pullback dito before we want to enter again. Use MA20 as your entry points. Marlo Baroro, sir, kapag may Bitcoin ba tayo sa eToro, pwede na bang gamitin ibang transaction, halimbawa pambayad or transfer ibang wallet? Right, so it's up to you if ever you want to enter Bitcoin as CFD. CFD kasi dito sa CFD sa eToro if dito nyo bibilhin. But there's eToro wallet. Check, search for it, eToro wallet. Kung doon kayo bumili ng Bitcoin, pwede nyo po i-trade doon. Right? Pwede kayo doon bumili actually. Right? If you don't have plans of buying Bitcoin, pwede nyo po idiretso dito na BTC lang kayo bumili. This is strictly for trading, hindi nyo magagamit. Kung gusto nyo pong yung Bitcoin na magagamit for transactions, then go for the eToro wallet. Search for the app, eToro wallet, then you can use that. You can trade there instead. Reggae Music, Sir Lloyd, paano po malipat sa iyo yung eToro account ko? Salamat po. Send me a message in my page, Financial Freedom 101. So, ma-request po natin. Edgar Galang, Sir Lloyd, ba't wala na eToro competition? For last year lang kasi yun eh. I'll ask them about that. I'll write that question down. Tatanungin ko if magkakaroon ba ng eToro competition ulit. Hopefully, magkaroon pa. Nestor Aquino, hey Sir Lloyd, umaangat na rin. Let's check out Hey, H-A-I. Heiko Corp. Ayun. Very good, very good, very good entries. Alright, Heiko Corp is going up, starting a trend. We have a very clear flag pattern here. Ang ganda ng pattern niya. MA20 bounces right here. So, yes, umakit na siya. Congratulations. Wait for it to do a pullback and bounce. I don't like to trade, hindi rin siya maganda i-breakout strategy kasi nakalipad na eh. So, wait for the pullback and bounce before you want to enter sa mga gustong pumasok. If nakapasok na kayo sa MA20, then that's good. That's already a big gains for you. So, that's good to know. Congrats, Nestor. Sanes, is it good to trade Ali now, sir? Maganda ba i-trade si Ali ngayon? Medyo negative pa kasi ang sentiments ng mga tao kay Ali. But though it broke MA20, so this is good. Is it good to trade Ali now? I'm not seeing any momentum yet. It's still inside the Bollinger Band. So, I think magsa-sideways pa ito si Ali. Let's see. Nasa taas si Ali ngayon. I don't know if it's gonna start a trend. We have resistances incoming. So, it's not worth it yung position niya. Let's wait for it to create a support at the very least. And then, that's where you trade it. Right? Wag aggressive ngayon. You don't have to be aggressive in the market right now. Pag nakalipad na yan, then hayaan nyo na. Magpo-pullback po yan. Mahina po ang market. Right? Umaakit ito ngayon kasi market is doing a bounce, right? Nagba-bounce siya from a very massive downward rally. Happy Kido. Good morning guys. Medina, PayPal and ACB po. Si PayPal naman, ito mga nirecommend ko to noon eh. Kamusta yun nga natin? Alright, so PayPal is looking good. Right, it hit a resistance right here. Nagpo-pullback siya ngayon. Yeah, ganda na rally ni PayPal. Use the MA20. This is why I love MA20s. Look at it. This right here. MA20 bounces, MA20 bounces, MA20 bounces. Let's wait for another MA20 bounce for PayPal before we wanna get in. Alright, that's the safest entry you can get in. Problema kay PayPal, nasa resistances na tayo eh. It would be best for a breakout na lang kay PayPal. Antayin nyo lang po ang breakout ni PayPal. Pag nag-breakout si PayPal, that's the best entry point. Double confirmation yan eh. Bounce plus breakout na yan. So, wait for PayPal to do breakout. Ang hirap kasi ngayon kasi umaakit na si PayPal. Ang taas na. Right? For PayPal. ACB naman, Aurora Cannabis. So, this is a marijuana company. Or cannabis sideways trend, right? We are at support right now. I don't know bakit nag-gap down si Aurora Cannabis. Please read about this. Bakit siya nag-sideways, right? Bakit siya nag-gap down? If it's bad earnings, then wag na lang po muna. We are still overall on a downtrend. To RSI, paangat na yung RSI niya eh. Hindi. Dito. Yeah, paangat na yung RSI niya. So, this is starting to bottom out already. Yeah, very low risk yung position ngayon. If ever wala naman bad news, please check out bakit nag-gap down siya. If there are any news about ACB. If wala namang bad news and if another green appears, yeah, you can test buy a little amount lang muna. Test buy in case mag-break out and then pull back. That's where you buy more when mag-start yung trend niya. So that's for ACB. Mekat na nga ni Sir, good morning. Any news po kay ISM? Why po bumaba ng sobra? It's just the market, no investors right now. ISM, wala namang news. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin naman yung pagka-third telco niya. It's just that, 243 na lang siya ngayon. Alright, that's good. Bad for traders. Wala naman siyang bad news. It's just that the market really is dropping right now. Kaya, especially for this position, for this asset, for this company na it's speculative still. Wala pa tayong alam sa earnings nila. We don't really know how they're gonna be performing in the future. We don't know if they're gonna be launching properly. So everything is speculative right now, and it's not a good market to speculate right now. Okay? Kaya bumababa si ISM. Good morning, Coach. Nag-message ako sa iyo, financial freedom to gain access sa free webinar. Kaya lang ayaw yata pumasok ng message ko. Ayaw pumasok ng message mo, Noel Taranco. Can you send sa financial freedom? Bakit ayaw pumasok na message mo? Right, so alright, I'll search for you in Facebook later and then send you a message. Alright, just writing your name. Pasensya na, mabagal ako mag-type. Sakit pa rin ng daliri ko. Alright, good morning, Sir Lloyd from Robert Niserio. Good morning, Net Insight, Sir Lloyd. Please, thanks. Let's check out Net. Hey guys, hopefully nagka-copy trade na kayo ha. Grabe yung mga earnings ng mga grabe yung earnings ng mga tao ngayon. For example, this is one of the people I recommended. Not sparkly lang. Mariano Pardo. Right, Mariano Pardo has been doing well for January and February. Kakapost ko lang nito nung nagsimula ang February ha. 4.63 last January. Ngayon, February, he's already up 3.75%. Ay, sayang. If hindi kayo nagka-copy trade, please copy trade already. I recommend this guy. This guy is really good, right? Sayang yung opportunities. This is already a total of 8.55% gains already for you, sana. Diba? So, sayang. Hopefully, nagka-copy trade na kayo ha. Last year, he is up 34.64%. This guy's doing good. Right? Especially bullish ang mga markets. So, yeah. Alright. Sayang po if hindi kayo magka-copy trade. Hopefully, nagka-copy trade na kayo. Si Net pala. Kasi I was reviewing the results of the copy trades earlier. Ganda ng mga earnings ng mga tao. Right? Plano ko nga mag-copy trade na lang ako eh. Ayoko na mag-trade. Pero kaso nga lang, I still enjoy trading, reading companies here and there, looking for opportunities. So yes. Pero nakakaingit yung copy trading eh. Naiingit na ako sa copy trading. In just 2 months, imagine that, 10%. Kung linagay mo sa bangko yung pera mong yan. Bagal. Alright, Net is starting an uptrend. This is good. Ride the trend of Net. This is a good green right here. If you want further confirmation, you can do a breakout. Meron tayong short-term resistance dito. So, 1, 2, 3, tatlong beses ito. 1, 2, 3 na hit ng resistance na ito. So, maybe you wanna do a breakout. Pag nag-breakout yan, further confirmation. That's your entry point for Net. That is from, sino nga ba nag-message nun? That's from Nestor Aquino, right? 10% gain na po. Want to buy more PayPal. Wait, galing, Melinda. Congratulations. The next buy is pullback and bounce kay PayPal, okay? Frost Phoenix 03. I don't recommend buying more on it kasi nasa taas na po yan. Masasayang lang ang gains mo, Melinda, for PayPal. Frost Phoenix 03. Good morning, sir. ISM Insights, please. ISM Insights is still speculative right now. I am a speculator of ISM. I think it's gonna be doing good in the future. So I don't care about the price right now where it's going. So if ever bababa pa yan, I'm just conjuring up money. I'm staying cash. If they're gonna start well, if they launch properly, then I'm gonna be buying more. That's only my buy. Buy more scenario. Katlo scenario ko is if they're not gonna be launching well, if they're not gonna be doing well as a company, then I'm gonna be bailing out. Pero wala pa eh, right? Noel Taranco, message yet, retract. Nestor Aquino, yes Sir Lloyd, win lahat ang mga binigay mong copy trades. Thanks so much from Nestor Aquino. Yeah, congratulations, nagka-copy trade ka rin, Nestor Aquino, at the same time trading. So that's what you basically do. What I strongly recommend for you guys, habang nagpa-practice kayo mag-trade, mag-copy trade po kayo. Sayang po yung opportunities. 4% already, 8% already past 2 months for just copy trading. That's passive income basically, 'di ba? Mas maganda pang passive income 'yan kaysa kumuha kayo ng condominium. Pag kumuha kayo ng condominium, parentahan nyo, your income is around 10% a year from your investment. With your investment, 10% a year. Dito kinuha lang ng dalawang buwan for copy trading. So strongly recommend you guys do copy trading po. Sayang po. And then at the same time, you trade. Mag-trade po kayo, you practice trading at the same time. Okay? Once gumaling na kayo mag-copy trade, gumaling na kayo mag-trade, then you can opt to pwede na po kayo magpa-kopya in the future. So you're earning in your trading, and then you're earning extra for sharing your skills already the skills that you have acquired. So that's very good. Right? If you perform well, tutulungan ko po kayo mag-market para ikopya kayo. Right? I strongly recommend you do that. So it's very good that you are trading now, Nestor, and at the same time copy trading. Congratulations. Sayang yung gains. Ang dami natatakot, hindi pa rin pumapasok sa copy trading or gusto mag-trade talaga on their own. Please copy trade po. Hafa Aday, good morning Sir Lloyd from Macau. Critical level of coronavirus here anyway. The good thing is staying at home for financial freedom. Please let me know if open na mangingisda. Right, we're planning to open late February right now. We don't want to rush things. Medyo maraming na-open natin for January kasi eh. So, people there are working overtime right now to gather the materials needed to create the cages. So, I don't want to rush them, right? So, if late February ang target natin, if ever mahirapan talaga, then mid-March mag-open po tayo. But February is gonna be hindi po matagal po tayo mag-open. So, patience lang po. Pasensya na. I don't really want to, hindi ko naman po sila gustong biglain. Ayoko naman silang biglain doon with the production. So, yes. Arjel Mendoza, good morning po Sir Lloyd and Laika. Beyond po. Alright. Let's check out Beyond. This is from Arjel Mendoza. Beyond Meat. Good, look at that. Beautiful MA20 bounces. So, if you wanna ride this stock right here, MA20 po. MA20 is the best entry points. So, it's riding on the MA20 line. That's a good entry point for Beyond. So, meaning nagsusustain yung trend niya. Si Omar lang ang medyo negative kasi nakasell ang gold niya pero tindi ng waiting niya since June 2019 and he's still doing it. Kasi, if you wanna check out gold, overall, it's already very high. Right? Sobrang taas na ng gold. Look at the chart of gold. I would say, shorting this is good. Right? It's just that, nangyari is, nung June pa kasi, taas na yun, di ba? So, he was shorting it and then negative lang. Ang problema was, we weren't expecting NCOV. Dahil po sa NCOV, people got scared and whenever there's a problem worldwide, umaangat ang yung si gold. Kaya with his position was actually very good already, right? Dalawang tops na negative na and it did go down. Kaso nga lang nagka-NCOV, ayan, umangat, nagrally si gold. I would say at around 1.6, shorting gold is already viable. Okay? Sobrang taas na kasi ng gold actually, right? Sobrang mahal na ng gold. It's been since ever before hirap umabot ng ganitong level sa gold. So shorting it at these prices is I would say is good. Okay? So yeah, okay naman yung strategy ni Omar. Nestor, sir. Right. So Annalyn, sir, can you move the logo of Financial Freedom equity code cannot be seen po? Ay, sorry about that. Right. So thank you so much for letting me know. Right, so thanks for that. From Annalyn. Becca Tangan, Sir Lloyd, any insights po sa ACB? Thanks. Alright, we covered ACB already. It's starting to form a bottom. Don't be too aggressive on this. You can try to buy the support, pero for example, budget mo is $500, you start with $100 lang muna, right? Just to test buy. Right? Anyway, sideways pa naman yan. No reason to go wild on this entry right here. Though we have a support and it's a divergent support. So this is looking good. After a very steep dive down, I think nag-sideways na siya. So reversal might be imminent soon. So test nyo na ang support. Pag nag-reversal and then starts to trend, then you buy more. Orlando, Tanyan, sir, ano po ibig sabihin ng copy trade? Baguhan lang kasi ako pag nag-trade. Alright, so this is why I want you guys, if ever nag-start pa lang kayo sa stock market, I had a meeting last night. Who do I recommend as a broker for beginners? I always tell them eToro, not just because I am endorsing it. I always say eToro because of copy trading. Yung copy trading kasi is patented to them. So only they can do this. So what copy trading is about is ganito po yan. For example, Mariano Pardo. You have a button that says copy here. Basically, you can put money. Let's say, for example, you budget around $1,000 kay Mariano Pardo. Let's go to my virtual portfolio. Mariano Pardo, ayun, nagka-copy na ako. So, if you if you copy Mariano Pardo, whatever he earns, right? Kaka-copy ko lang last week kay Mariano Pardo and I'm already earning 0.29%. So, basically, whatever Mariano Pardo is earning in the future, you will earn also because kung ano ang gagawin niya sa pera niya, susundin ng pera mo. For example, you put in $1,000 kay Mariano Pardo, and then Mariano Pardo trades. Let's say he buys 10% of his portfolio, he buys Facebook. Okay? Bili niya Facebook. Your money, yung $1,000 mo, ibibili rin yan ni eToro ng 10% niyan ng Facebook stocks. So if ever si Facebook tumubo ng 5%, you're gonna earn also 5%. Right? Ang kagandahan nito is si Mariano Pardo ang nagte-trade sa inyo. So whatever Mariano Pardo does, yung pera mo, sinusunod yung ginagawa niya. And it's done automatically. Wala ka nang gagawin. Just click on the person and then put on copy. And then pag kinopya mo, and then there it is. Okay na yan. Siya na po ang bibili, siya na po ang magbebenta. And then that's it. Ganun lang kasimple ang copy trading. Okay? So, tawag dyan. Wait. Nawala ako sa isip ko. Right, so, for newbies, yan. Yung gusto nga sabihin, bakit maganda ang eToro for newbies? Because of this, si Mariano Pardo is already an expert in trading. You're able to replicate him. Para mo na siyang kinuha as fund manager. May nagmamanage na ng pera mo. Right? That's very good. Right? If ever, for example, especially for us na may trabaho, usually kasi tayo may trabaho and pinipilit natin mag-trade kasi gusto natin kumita on the side, di ba? Why not let others do the trade for you? And it's for free, di ba? Libre lang si eToro na nagbabayad sa mga taong ito para mag-trade, right? So that's a very 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 good deal for you guys, right? Sabi niya sa akin, what is the advantage of eToro? What is the disadvantage of eToro compared to other brokers? Ang sinabi ko sa meeting ko kahapon is, if you compare eToro with other brokers, it's good and it depends on the perspective. If you're at the perspective na gusto mo magtipid sa trading fees, etc., then eToro is not the best broker out there. eToro is not the most expensive but not the cheapest. Right? Meron kasing mas cheaper talaga na brokers out there. But that's because eToro is paying so many traders to trade for you. Kaya eToro cannot really afford to really cheapen the charges. But the charges are cheaper than PSEi. Nagte-trade na tayo sa PSEi ng mahal ng fees, di ba? So eToro mas lesser ang fees. It's just that compared to other international brokers, hindi pinakamura si eToro, right? From that perspective. But on a perspective of of use. eToro is a social trading platform. You can communicate with other traders. You can see their strategies. Makikita mo paano ang mga binibili nila. Transparency is there. The copy trading is there. Shorting is there. Everything is there. So overall, yung mga pros is outweighing the cons. That's why I've been recommending eToro talaga. Right, good morning idol, pasilip naman po si ISM at CHP. Si ISM medyo downtrend pa eh, so I will stay away from it for now. We'll wait for it to start a reversal at the very least before natin masabi na pwede na i-buy si ISM. If it goes cheaper, then that's very good. CHP. Right, sa CHP naman, overall downtrend pa rin eh. I still cannot recommend it. Hopefully, we get a support bounce. Pag na-support bounce, we have volume already for CHP kasi. So, most probably, malapit ito mag-bottom out. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Nestor Kino, thanks so much for clear explanation on Omar and Gold again. Thanks, sir. Ang galing ng inputs mo, Sir Lloyd. You're welcome. Becca Tangan, sir, good morning po. Ako din po, pa-add din sa free webinar for Gold. Siyempre, andyan po sa video description yung registration link. Don't miss out on it. Just I saw RFA 1976 parang nagpapa copy trade na din siya. Alright, ang ginawa ni RP is starting to create a different account na para i-public niya po. He's trying to sabi niya is he's gonna make the original account private and gusto niya po magpa-copy trade, and so he's focusing on the RFA 1976 now. That's what he's building. Alright, Nestor Kino, one of the best thing with copy trade, you can ask them inquiries as well. Yes, totoo po yan. It's very you can talk to traders and what they are doing. So you can replicate and learn also. Alice the Wanderer, how much ang minimum investments in copy trading? 200 po ang minimum, 200 USD. Right? That's very small. I don't recommend just 200 USD. I will recommend start with 500 USD. Okay, 500 to 1,000. Nestor King na 200 is the minimum, but will be best to have $500 at least, so you can copy all trades. Yes, totoo po yan. Nestor Kino, Alice the Wanderer, you can read the profile to understand more about the copy trade. Yes, I'll show that comment. Ted Ang, di ka naman nagte-trade pero pera mo galing sa referrals. Hindi ako nagte-trade. My portfolio is public if you wanna see. Anyways. That's my portfolio right now. So, I don't know if what you mean by I'm not trading. Hindi ako nagte-trade ngayon kasi sobrang mahal na ng market. I'm waiting for it to go reversal. We have our own strategies and every now and then. But you can check out my portfolio. You can check out my history so that you can say I'm trading. Anyways, pera ko galing sa referrals. Yes, that's why I'm able to make the seminars for free. Ayan po. It's either that or magpapabayad ako. Ang daming tao nagrereklamo. Mahal ng mga seminars, etc., etc. Kung may libre naman, may reklamo pa rin. Anyways, did you sell your ISM positions or learn ano average mo sa ISM? My average right now kay ISM is around 4.5, 4.6 yung average ko kay ISM. I did not sell my positions. Yung sell scenario ko for ISM is naka-sell na ako noon nung umakyat na siya. So basically nag-gain na ako diyan. Yung natira ko, nag-negative siya, but overall I'm still earning from it. Yung position ko ngayon kay ISM is only for hold position. I'm speculating kasi na they're gonna be doing well when they start. Edgar Galang, Sir Lloyd, pwede ba yung copy trade na tao mag-copy trader din? Curious lang po, right? Pwede ba yung copy trade ng tao mag-copy trade din? Right? There are parameters, there are rules on there are rules na on copy trading, okay? If nagpapa-copy trade ka, you're only allowed to copy trade 10% of your port. The other 90% you have to trade on your own. Kasi pag you break those rules, you will not be paid that month, right? Every month kasi binabayaran ka ni eToro. There are parameters that they will check before they will give you the payment. So, your risk score should be this. Yung leverage mo, hindi ka pwedeng magtaas ng leverage, hindi ka pwedeng mag times 10 leverage, etc. Okay, so if you if you go beyond the parameters, then you will not be paid that month. Nestor Aquino, ganda ng tanong mo, Edgar. In my experience, I saw some na meron silang copy trade as well. Crazy B Asian, thank you, Boss Lloyd, for all your help and effort. Some people need to learn some decency. It's okay. You can't please everyone. Don't care. Anyways, right, it's 9:17. Tomorrow, right, pag-uusapan po natin bukas is, and last week pa to na request spotting trend stages and reversals, right? So yeah, I'm gonna prepare that lesson for tomorrow, so abangan nyo po, especially sa mga newbies, okay? eToro, tapos na po yung promotion natin, sadly, so wala na pong what do you call this, wala na po yung $50. Yung mga nag-register and then funded, expect the $50 bonus within 30 days from February 5. February 5 po yung last day ng diba? ng promotion. And then abangan niyo po ang webinar this March 7. Please register, andyan po sa video description yung registration link. And also, I'm gonna be posting it in Billionaires Club in my Facebook page today so that you can register also. Right? Thank you, Sir Lloyd and Nestor Aquino, for the info. You're welcome. Right, that's it for today. I'll see you again tomorrow. Yun po yung topic natin, so abangan niyo po. And don't forget about the webinar. If wala pa kayong account, please join that. It's gonna be a very fruitful webinar for you. Kung makaka-access na po kayo sa webinar na ito, you will also have access to the webinar we have with Miss RB Necesito about day trading gold. That's gonna be very helpful for you also. So basically, bonus na. Kung gumawa lang kayo ng account, meron kayong webinar for this March, and you have access to Miss RB's webinar with me. Okay? So, lahat na po yun. Sa inyo na po yun. And it's for free. I'll see you again tomorrow. And as always, let's get rich together. Bye everyone. Thank you po sa help. Malaking bagay po, lalo na sa di pa marunong. Happy to help po. Right, Edgar Galang, thank you, Sir Lloyd. Bigla lang sumagi sa utak ko, Nestor, and I know si Sir Lloyd lang makasagot siya kasi loading natin si eToro. Right. So, you're welcome po. You're welcome. Alright. See you again tomorrow. Enjoy your day. Maulan po ngayon dito sa Cebu at the very least. Hopefully, magandang umaga ninyo dyan. Right. Keep safe. Right. And ingat po sa NCOV. Laging wash ng hands, and then yung mga doorknobs, and stay away from crowded places. Bye, everyone. Thanks again, Sir Lloyd, for another productive day. You're a blessing to many. Let's get rich together. Bye po.